just keep tight. Put a smile on your face and move. Oh, but I'm running towards you. And me. Thank you so much, and we are so excited to be sharing some tunes with you as part of Sundays by the Stream on CGG TV. We are Songbird, and it has been a little while since we have played any music, and we are very, very excited to be dusting off our instruments and mics to be bringing you some tunes, some original tunes at that. So if you haven't met us or it's been a little while, I'll just quickly introduce you to our band. We have Todd Stokes on the kit. Say hey. G'day. He's never usually on the mic, but this is his moment. And we have Ryan Dunn on guitar.
Hello.
And I'm Lex. It's our pleasure to be playing some tunes for you guys. That one was called Scare Easily. Up next, we have a tune called Flower Girl. Like a river, she flows, walks into a room and everybody knows she's elegant and she's graceless. Songs for you. The universe glows and her energy shows. She's a gatherer of people. Hey, this song's for you. Da 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 da. Hey hey. Peaceful woman with the cloud, you're you. I pick a little pocket from my sunshine. Oh, it's true. Peaceful woman, oh, with the cloud, you're you. Hey. I pick a little pocket for my sunshine. The song is songs for Selected, songs for Selected, songs for Selected. Hey, hey. Oh, songs for Selected, songs for Selected. ba ba da da dum da 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 yeah. Ba da 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 da. Ba da da ba ba do da 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 da. Hey yeah. Da 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 ba ba da ba. This song is for you. Oh, you're beautiful, and your energy goes. Peaceful woman, with the cloud you do. Hey, hey. I pick a little bucket for my sunshine. Oh, it's true. Hey, hey. Peaceful woman. With the cloud you do. I pick a little bucket for my sunshine. Yeah. Peaceful woman with the cloud you do. Thank you so much. That tune is called Flower Girl. We usually call it jazzy, and every gig that we've played, we've called it jazzy. But today, I'm going to introduce that it's called Flower Girl. This song I'd like to play solo for you. It's quite dear to my heart. I wrote this song when I was going through some personal grief, and it's sort of a reflection of when you're in that phase after you've just lost someone or something, and you're kind of thinking, what's next? You know, what's to come? Is the wind going to change and go my way? And this song is called Shadow. There's only so many hours in a day, and I've been willing hours to change, cautiously wondering, when will it be our turn? What will I learn? Sweeter than the softest breeze, and the sun that rustles through the trees, calling me, willing me home. I'll be coming home soon. I'm really missing you. I'll be coming home soon. And sometimes life gives you pain. That's okay. Sometimes joy brings the rain. That's okay. Sometimes life gives you pain. That's okay. Sometimes Sometimes joy brings the rain. That's okay. Sometimes life gives you pain. That's okay. Sometimes joy, it brings the rain. That's okay. Sometimes life, it brings the rain. That's okay. Thank you. This song is called Smooth Colour. Face, the way you move, you got me shifting out of place again. I see your face around town. In your way, you know you move and then you're shifting in and out again. I see your face around town. Anyway, we will move and we will change, but it'll be okay. I see your face around town. In your way, and we will shift and we will change, but it'll be okay. I see your face around town. And now you got me searching for smooth color in a different way. Smooth color in a different shade. Smooth color in a different place. I see you around, you know you got me searching for smooth color in a different way. Smooth color in a different shade. Smooth color in a different place. I see you around, you know I see your color fade. You know I see your color fade. In your way, you're shifting out, you're moving in, but it'll be okay. I'll see your face around town. And your way, you got me moving and shifting in and out again. I see your face around town, but now you got me searching for smooth color in a different way. Smooth color in a different shade. Smooth color in a different place. I see you around, you know you got me searching for smooth colors in a different way. Smooth color in a different shade. Smooth color in a different space. I see you around, you know I see your color fade. You know I see your color fade. And now you got me searching for smooth color in a different way. Smooth color in a different place. Smooth color in a different shape. I see you around, you know you got me searching for smooth color in a different way. Smooth color in a different shade. Smooth color in a different space. I see you around, you know you got me searching for smooth color in a different way. Smooth color in a different shade. Smooth searching for smooth color in a different way. Smooth color in a different shade. Smooth color. You got me searching for smooth color in a different way. Smooth color in a different shade. Smooth color in a different space. I see you around, you know I see your color fade. Thank you so much. And just like that, we have come to the end of our set. This is a really special tune, and we're so excited. It's a brand new song that we have just written, fresh out of the oven. It is called Earth Child. Wash over my soul. Wait, worth its weight in gold. Somber months till May. Just not feeling like I did yesterday. Like I did yesterday. Play on the playing board. This day, keep me self-assured. Thunder calls for rain. This tastes sweeter than it did yesterday. Than it did. So take a little rest. Put away my pride. This gig ain't easy. Just taking my time and only do my best. Earth children of a mind. And this gig ain't easy. Just taking my time. Just taking my time. Waves wash over my soul. Waves worth its weight in gold. Thunder calls for rain. This tastes sweeter than it did yesterday. Than it did. Earth's children of mine. This gig ain't easy, just taking my time. Nice. Thank you so much, guys. We have had such a pleasure of playing for you this week on Sundays by the Stream on CGG TV. Once again, we are Songbird. This is Todd Stokes on the drums, Ryan Dunn on guitar, and I'm Lex. It's been our pleasure. Catch you later.